Hi, so we now have a feature in Chromatic to let you compare multiple shots while you're grading. And obviously this can be very useful, say you want to match the colors, skin tones between two shots to keep a consistent grade throughout the entire edit. And unfortunately, Final Cut Pro doesn't really have a good built-in way of letting you do this when grading. So I'm going to add Chromatic Grade to the timeline here. I'm actually going to add it to the first clip there, and then I'm going to copy it and paste to these others. So assuming you are going to use Chromatic Grade throughout the timeline, you just do like this to copy it to all the ones you want to use it on. Okay, so now we've got Chromatic on all these clips, and what I'm going to do is go to this one here and open the Chromatic Grade window. For this purpose, I'm going to just change one of them a little bit. Let's say I'm just going to go to those with highs and mess it around so that we can see the difference between the original and the clip with grade applied. Okay, so now what I can do is just move that out of the way, go to another clip here. Now make sure you've got it selected and press the A button to store that clip in compare buffer A, and go to here, store this one in compare buffer B. Now if I go back to my clip I was working on, I can then use this menu to choose a bunch of different compare modes. So first of all, you hit caps lock to turn on viewing the compare buffers, and you'll see that there's a warning down in the bottom corner because we don't want you to render out your project with this switched on. So first of all, we can see the compare result and source wipe, which was the same as in the previous version. You could already wipe between result and source, but now we've got these other options, so we can wipe between the A clip and the result to compare them like that. We can wipe between we can see the two clips A and result side by side. We can wipe to the B clip, the B buffer clip. We can then also see B and result side by side, or you can see the last option, the A buffer, the result, and the B buffer all side by side. Now the other thing to note is that the A and B buffers are stored as still images. They don't update, but you can scrub through and the middle one will change. Okay, there's no motion here. I should have chosen a different clip as the middle one, but it is live. The result one is live, so if I change the settings here, you'll see it does change it in the compare buffer. So then, obviously very important, you don't want it to render like this. You make sure that before you export or you render the timeline, you want to then hit the caps lock again, and that actually will turn off the compare buffers for all the copies of Chromatic on the timeline. Okay, thank you.